We're going to start our performance with Ali'i O Lani, which is an oli that pays tribute to Lot Kapoeva, yeah, Prince Lot. And the girls are going to do their oli in one breath. There's about 6 lines, not too long, but it's long if you've never done it before. So it's going to be something that we're really working hard towards, especially helps you to focus in on your ability to push yourself beyond your own expectations. Our mele is entitled Kahua Ka'i, the journey. And this chant I found in the book Echo of Our Song that was edited and translated by Mirka Venakukui. And this chant is written and it documents a mission of mercy. Prince Lot performed during his time. He had a royal residence on Molokai that had run out of materials and food, and they needed more supplies. And so he sends the Kilauea, which is the steamer that sailed between the islands, and he sends supplies to them, cargo to them, so that they could replenish their supplies. Actually, saves the lives of the people that live there at his royal ranch. I've never done this chant before, and I just felt the urge, the sense of tribute, to pay to him, because we've been coming to Prince Lot all of these years and never really found something that was appropriate, that spoke about him as a person, and what he did for the people and how he helped those people.